All right, good morning, judges. My name is Carmen Barrett, and today I'm presenting STEM Engine. I'm building a world where every student's curiosity can be turned into a real-world engineering project, regardless of their budget or background. The problem is simple. Students want to build cool things, but they don't know how to start. My platform acts as a digital mentor. A student simply enters their age, their budget, say around like $50, and their interest. The AI then generates custom 3D blueprints, step-by-step instructions, and even helps them write the code. It turns a confusing process into a clear roadmap. I'm targeting three main groups. First, the 40 million middle school and high school students in the US who want hands-on STEM experience. Second, the schools that are struggling to keep their STEM curriculum modern and engaging. And finally, the growing community of adult hobbyists who want a frustration incredibly low, only 84 cents per user each month. This gives me a massive 91% profit margin. I also offer enterprise licenses to school for $500 a year per classroom. I'm funding my $900 launch using prize money from competitions like this one, plus a crowdfunding campaign. I picked this because it means I don't have to borrow money or go into debt. Winning pitch contests proves my idea works, and crowdfunding gets parents, teachers, and students excited about the platform before I even launch. It pays for my web hosting and AI costs while building a community of day one users. Trust is everything in education. My customer service plan includes a 24/7 AI support that is trained on every project, so students are never stuck at 9 p.m. on a school night. I also host a moderated community forum where students can peer review each other's code, creating a safe, collaborative learning environment. My growth plan is all about starting small and expanding fast. In the short term, I will launch pilots in our local schools and clubs. For long-term growth, my big vision is to partner directly with hardware companies to sell prepackaged one-click part kits right through our app. This will take me from just a website to a huge national STEM brand. I want to be the primary platform for the next generation of engineers. Thank you. To conclude my pitch, if I were to win the $250 today, every single dollar will go straight into launching my prototype. First, I would buy my official domain name and pay for my first few months of web hosting to get the platform live on the internet. Then, I would put the remaining cash directly into my AI API account. Because my AI costs are only about 5 cents per project, this prize money will let me generate thousands of custom STEM blueprints for my very first group of testers. Thank you to your time.